firstly, what you have to do is just simply search Bing AI image generator. So just simply search this much and it should open the AI image creation of Bing, as you can see right over here. And then it will open the Bing AI image generator. Now, make sure that you are already signed in with your Outlook account or Microsoft account. If you haven't logged in, just simply log in with the Microsoft account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now over here, you will find a few options. So if you scroll down over here, you can see what other people have made so far on this platform, as you can see right over here. And if you hover over them, you will also be able to see the prompts that they use to create the image. Now, to create the image, all you need to do is to simply write your prompt right over here, and you will be given a set amount of tokens that you can use per creation. So the tokens will be refreshing every single week, so make sure to use them properly. Now let's say, for example, if I want to create the image, so this is the prompt that I have used over here. Now all you need to do is click on create or hit enter on your keyboard, and then the generator will start generating that particular image. So as you can see right over here, it costs 1 token for a single image, and it will give you 4 different images that you can use, as you can see right over here. And right over here in this panel, you'll find all the recent images that you have created so far. And if you like any one of the images over here, just simply click on that image, and then you can just simply share it, download it, or even you can customize it if you want to. Or you can also save an image just by hovering on top of the image. You can click on this option right over here, and then click on save image. And it will save the image to your collection. And in order to access collection, go to the 3 lines at the top right, then click on collections. And right over here, you will have all the saved images that you have so far. So that's how you use Bing's AI image generator. So if you would like to use the image generator, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.